I'm going to an event today, and you know what I don't want my hair to look like? This. Absolutely not. So you know I ran to my closest Planet Beauty where they had the Amika Viral Thermal Brush in stock, which, by the way, I was shocked when I got it for $90 because everywhere else that I've seen it, it's $100. Anyways, make sure if you want it to get it from Planet Beauty. Save your coin, girl. Starting off with a blowout, I love to just smooth the Amika brush through my hair. This just makes everything shiny, glossy, and easy to work with. Doing the exact same thing on the other side, and look at how much better it looks already. And this is then the fun part where we get to add those little curls. I think it's easy to make this harder than it actually is. Just run the brush through your hair and then curl it at the ends. Just twist and pull, twist and pull. It makes it so much easier. Then the best part, the bangs. This really brings it all together. I like to do the bangs away from my face and then towards. This gives it volume and curl, and just look how stunning. Do not sleep on blowouts this summer. They are everything. The Amika brush is everything. And save your coin. Shop at Planet Beauty. You won't regret it.